Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be installing some skid plates onto my SCX24 Deadbolt. Let's start by removing the two bottom screws from the differential cover. Next, we need to install a bracket over the diff cover. This bracket will serve as the mounting point for your skid plate. I'll be using the two longest screws for the bracket because I have a brass diff cover. If you have the original diff cover, use the shorter screws to attach your bracket. Now we need to remove the tires. Once your tires are removed, fit the skid plate over the mounting bracket. Since the screws attaching the skid plate to the bracket are threading into metal, I'm going to use some thread locker so they don't loosen up. The screw's small size makes them hard to work with, so rather than putting the thread locker directly on the screw, I'm using a toothpick to apply it into the threaded hole. Here's a look at the finished product. Just put your tires back on and you're all done. I also picked up a stainless steel center skid plate, so I'll get working on that next. First, remove the 4 screws that attach the gearbox mount to the frame of your deadbolt. Now you can fit your skid plate over the gearbox mount and tighten it down with the provided screws. Time to take the deadbolt outside and put these new skid plates to the test. Let's see if we can hear some stainless steel scraping up against the rocks.